Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi A4 headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a T25 torque screwdriver and your new H7 headlight bulb. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. There's usually an access panel or cover that you'll need to remove to get to the bulb. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now that you're prepared, let's get to the bulb. Use your T25 torque screwdriver to remove the screws securing the access cover. Once the cover is off, you'll see the back of the headlight bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it straight off. Then, depending on your specific model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the old bulb. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Handle the new H7 bulb by its base, avoiding touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's properly aligned. Secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Finally, firmly reattach the electrical connector. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Before closing everything up, turn on your Audi A4 and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. Check both low and high beams. Once confirmed, replace the access cover, aligning it properly, and then tighten the T25 torque screws to secure it. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.